Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track unit, an 8-track section out of a Montgomery Ward Airline AM/FM 8-track receiver, and it was sent in mainly for work on the 8-track. This comes from Amanda in Troy, Michigan, and it's intended to be a present for her father who lives in Brighton, Michigan. So that's pretty nice, I think. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I've got it set to the radio at the moment. Now let's try the tape. 8-track tape. Blank spot there. And there's a song there. I'm never coming back. Will stay by me? Okay, so there we go. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to. Actually, I've got going to be getting new glasses today, so I have an appointment with the eye doctor. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below this video, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because most, if not all, of your questions will be answered right there in the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you do need to call me, which you probably will, it'll only be for like just a couple minutes to answer a quick question instead of what all do you do and how much does it cost. That's a little bit too much for my brain, guys. So please do that research before calling me with questions. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, Amanda, for your business all the way from Michigan. And we'll see you guys next time.